I'm using my fingers here. He's a savage.
Nice.
He's not a savage.
Ouch.
Emma.
Hey guys, it's John Morgan here and friends.
Boys with toys.
Boys with Toys. We're doing Morgan Madness, but Boys with Toys, little advertisement
Making
there.
a cameo.
We got Joey with Spider-Man makeup or face paint. Voiceover makeup. Face paint. Josh, Dylan with Venom. Emma.
I call him flowers and a unicorn.
Yeah, and Alyssa just woke up.
Eating her
And-
goldfish.
We're gonna do the watermelon challenge. It's a nice spring day.
Boys with toys.
Except it's cold. It's supposed to be warm, but it's not.
It's like
And
winter / spring.
ever since I saw this on the Slow Mo Guys a couple years ago, I've been wanting to do the watermelon challenge. Now it's lots of people have done it, but we decided it'd be fun. We found these rubber bands in the basement, and lots of them. We're like, hey, I don't even know how many there are. I know we need like over 300 probably to make it work. Then we have these other ones that we can use as well. These are bigger.
454.
If we want
So-
to use these, we have to wrap them around so they fit.
Yes. All right, so we're gonna time lapse us putting them on. We're gonna try to count, see if we can count them all, and see how long it takes to explode.
Yep.
So-
I'm not gonna count.
Let's do it. All right, so we're at 100 rubber bands.
Yep.
We're just doing a little interim video here. It's definitely going higher and skinnier. We're gonna turn the slow-mo on, although we think we're gonna need at least 300 before we see any action. So, let's do it. All right, we're at 200. We're somewhere near there. And it's looking like a pill.
It looks like a pill, yeah.
Yeah. All right, another 300 and then I think,
Another 300.
no, another 100 to get 300. And we'll be close. All right. Oh, dang it. Watermelon, everyone! Come this way.
Yay! I'm not eating up the food.
That was pretty cool.
278. Like a small rubber band.
Oh, it's popped. It curved.
Oh.
Was this the bottom?
That's the bottom. Emma's
So,
got the top in her mouth.
Pretty cool. We got 200 and what was it?
78.
You kind of lost count at the very end when it exploded. 278 rubber bands.
Good luck
Nice.
cleaning this up.
Oh yeah, I gotta go.
Josh,
Got that?
oh, you gotta go because we have to clean up?
Yep.
That took me a second. I was like, anyways, pretty cool, huh, guys?
Oh, that is cool. I haven't had watermelon in a long time.
Watermelon everywhere.
He's like a savage.
So, please like, subscribe to our channel. And tell us what else you want us to do.
I haven't had watermelon in a long time, so this is so good.
It's such a nice warm day.
Yeah, me and Josh are splitting it.
All right. Nice.
He's not a savage. Emma, don't be so dramatic.
Oh my gosh.
It's a normal thing for a boy to put his head in a
Oh
watermelon.
gosh. No. Good job taking a bath.
Josh, you gonna take a shower?
Yeah.
He already took a bath. Or shower. Whatever he does.
I guess we won't be eating that watermelon.
Josh is frustrated. We better take him to Disney.
No.
No, hey Josh, don't even think about it.
I already got it.
Josh, you're cleaning this up.
He's a savage. I got you.
Did you want to stop your, did you want to...
Oh my god.
Look at him. Alyssa is so confused.